So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn those post notifications on. And stay tuned if you want to watch me beat my face. I'm going to start off by moisturizing my face with the Neutrogena Pore Refining Moisturizer. I'm taking the Urban Decay De-Slick Primer and priming my face. Next, I'm going to apply the Estee Lauder Doublewear Foundation with the foundation brush. I'm just going to blend that out with a clean, damp beauty blender. I'm going to start my eyeshadow using the Bling Boss palette by Morphe x Jaclyn Hill. I forgot to prime my eyes and do my eyebrows, so I'll just prime them with my Maybelline concealer in the color Ivory. For brows, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the color Ebony. Finally, I'm going in with the color Hush Hush and just brushing that all over my eyelid. Next, I'm going to take this angled brush and dip it into this deep purple color from the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. I'm just putting that in my crease and creating a wing on my eyelid. Next, I'm taking some of the deep blue color right above it and deepening the outer crease with it and blending that towards the middle of the crease. Now back to the Bling Boss palette. Using the vibrant purple color and a taper blending brush, I'm going to blend everything together and wing it out. Using my Maybelline concealer to cut the crease in the color Ivory. Now I'm going to spray this tiny little brush with setting spray and go in with the color Ballsy all over my lid. Well, where I put the concealer to cut the crease. I also put it in my inner corners. Don't be afraid to really pack it on there because I definitely did. I'm taking that same taper blending brush and blending the lid and the outer crease together. Now I'm just gonna highlight my face with the NARS concealer in the color Caramel. If you haven't already, watch my everyday makeup tutorial for more details on my face makeup. I'm just gonna contour my face with the NYX Highlight and Contour Palette. I'm taking the darkest shade. Now I'm just gonna blend all that out and blend it all together. Now I'm going to use the color Gingerbread from this Too Faced palette to set that contour. I'm going to set my whole face with the Benai Banana Powder and the Too Faced Translucent Setting Powder in the color Medium. I mixed them together on a paper towel and dipped my beauty blender in the mixture. I just press that everywhere that I put the concealer. I also use it to clean up my contour. Now we're just gonna dust away all the excess powder. Using Santa Baby from the Too Faced Peppermint Mocha palette for blush and just lightly tapping that on my cheeks. Now we're gonna finish our eyeshadow, starting with the color Gem on our lower lash line. Now I'm just taking a little bit of black liner and putting it in the waterline, well, the outer waterline. And some white liner and putting it in the inner waterline to make my eyes really pop. For highlighter, I'm going to spray my brush with setting spray and use Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in Molten Topaz. This is definitely one of my fave highlighters because it's super pigmented and super cheap, and I got it from Walmart for like $8, so that's really cool. Again with the Morphe setting spray. Now I'm just lining my lips with a brown liner. I promise you'll probably always see me do this with anything and everything I put on my lips. I feel like it's a necessity, and it does amazing at blending any color with my skin tone, if I do say so myself. Now for lips, I'm going in with the NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick in the color Embellishment. And last but not least, I'm taking this Marc Jacobs lip gloss in the color Pink Parade to complete the look. Okay guys, so here's the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. I really enjoyed doing it for you guys. And stay tuned for more. Let me know in the comments like what kind of looks you want me to do, cause your girl just don't be knowing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.